going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you today with a quick little video show you how to make some money online with copy and paste videos. It's super simple to do. It's nothing major, but do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss whenever I come out with a video. I come out with videos at least 3 times a week. So without further ado, let's get going. What we're going to be doing, we're going to make relaxing nature videos. It's not super hard to do. As you can see, this right here is a little Chrome extension I've got called Keywords Everywhere. It shows you a lot of information on all this. The top channel has 19 videos. That's all they've got is 19 videos. The average views for the videos are 2.7 million. The average age of them is 2 years old. And no keywords in the title. That's huge. That tells you that people are just clicking on these videos and watching them. And if you come down here to another Chrome extension I have, the average, let's see, I think it tells you. No, it don't. I thought it'd give you the average length of video, but no, it does not. It just gives the average subscriber. But that tells you if this is the top channel and the average subscriber is 615,000 people, it's not going to take you long to monetize these channels, because as you see, most of the videos are 11 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. That one's live. 2 hours and 29 minutes. To monetize the channel, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. At this right here, if all 1,000 subscribers you had watched 4 hours of it, there's your 4,000 watch hours. As you see, it don't take long to get there. So what we're going to do, we're going to need music to go with pictures, right? That's basically what all this is, or videos, or however you want to do it. Where you get the music from, you go to YouTube audio library. You come over here to genre, and what I like is ambient, mood. We go to calm, and you just look for something that you like. This will do. Let's see if we can hear this on the video. I can't hear it here. I'm sure y'all can't hear it on the video. So we're not going to use it. Oh, there we go. Skip on down here a little bit. Yeah, that's not bad. Let's download it. That way we've got it. All you do to download it, just click this little button here and it'll download. There we go. Now it's downloaded. Stop it from playing in the background just because I don't want to hear it. And okay, we've got the soundtrack, which is only 3 minutes, but you can go through, get more music. That's not a problem. So then what you want to do, you come over here to pexels.com. Pexels or pixels, however you want to pronounce it. I generally say pixels. I've heard it pexels, so okay, you come down here, you click on, all this is open source software, or open source pictures and videos that you can use without worrying about being demonetized or copyright strikes or anything else. So it's a great thing. And then let's say, okay, I thought I clicked on it. Maybe I did. Well, maybe it didn't. There we go. Let's try. Lord, my computer's running right slow. Let's go with turtles. Because that one had turtles on the thumbnail. Let's see what we come up with. you get 20 videos or 91 photos. And for the video, if you click on it, this is what it's going to look like. If my computer will run fast enough to show you. Problem is, I'm also trying to export a video while I'm making this one, so y'all bear with me. Computer's running a little slow. So this is what this video would look like. It's just, you know, a video of a turtle swimming under sea, which is a pretty cool video. But for the time's sake of this video, we're just going to use pictures. You could use the videos, which would probably do better, don't get me wrong. Come on. But you know, you can, what you do, you click on the picture, hit download for free. This is all free. None of this costs anything. As you see it downloaded. Click on this one. Download. I like that one. That was kind of cool. I don't know if I'll use it in the video, but I like the picture, so I want it. So, let's go through and grab a couple of these. That way we got them. That one. Okay, what just happened? Okay, anyway, we've got a few here. Let's just go on. So, you know, most Windows computers have Windows 10 Movie Maker, or if you're on a Mac, you've got iMovie. But with this right here, I'm going to show you another piece of software which is called OpenShot that you can use as well, which is open source. It's 100% free video software editing. It's basically what I use to make my movies or my videos. Obviously I don't make movies, but anyway, y'all know what I'm saying. And what it looks like when you do it is this right here. When you open it up, you click on this little plus icon, it'll bring up all the, you know, your downloads, everything. Tell y'all what, I'll be back in just a second after I get everything loaded. Alright, so I'm back. As you see, I've already got the stuff imported here. What you do is, my computer let me here, you know, just drag the music file down here, bring the pictures of the turtles, say, down here, back on up. There you go. Let's take it out to about 1.5 minutes, because if I remember right, that's about how it's about 3-minute long song here. So, and then you just bring down the other one, and you stretch it out to the end. And then just hit play so you can see what it looks like. You know, basically it's just video that, you know, it's just. And the reason why it's jerky on my computer right now is because of everything else I've got running in the background. Trust me, it comes out fine in the end. But you know, y'all get the gist of how to do this. And then what you would do, you hit this little red button up here, and then export video. And then, you know, you upload it to YouTube, and you got the channel off the ground. So, you know, if y'all got any value out of this, do me a favor, like and subscribe to the video. Do what help me out. Do what you can. Comment, let me know if it was any good, what you liked, what you didn't like. Just let me know. I'll make another one. Talk to y'all later.